Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Now, I'd like to invite you to this virtual walkthrough since you can't be with me. It's a wonderful property. It's located at 2411 55th Street Northeast, Canton, Ohio, 44721. Now, this is in Plain Township, Plain Schools. It's just a hair over an acre. So it's so convenient to everything. Gervasi's just right down the street, the Stark Parks Trail right down the street. This is an eclectic, very cool house. Let me show you through it. And it's approximately 3,000 square feet. So let's take a look. All right, so where I'm looking right now is I just came in the front door, and this would be the game room, which has a sliding door that goes out to the back. And of course, plenty of built-ins here and lots of storage. And then over here is the half bath. And we'll take a closer look at that with the cathedral ceiling and skylights. So when you first come in the front door, you have this really cool space, skylights, a lot of natural light. The parking outside, there's plenty of parking. But this was set up as an office, but it could be whatever. I'll give you an idea here. So 55th Street's right out there, and it's a 2-car garage. We have some activities going on here today. All right. And the floor is a terracotta. It's really nice. I'll just try to show you a close-up of that with some accent tiles. It's a very cool house. All the windows are Pella windows with a built-in blind that can be tweaked by just turning the knob. Okay, so when you come in the front door, you can go into the library area as well. So this is hardwood floors. And look at all these books and the bookshelves, right? This is very awesome. So this is a nice library or den. The books don't come with it, but you surely have lots of storage for your own books. Nice ceiling fan. All right, so this is open to the kitchen. This is a gas fireplace. Plenty of storage to the right. This would take you to the upstairs. And then, of course, the family room, which I was showing you earlier. It's very nice. Plenty of bookshelves. Storage on each side. A nook right here. All right, let's go peek into the kitchen. All right, so it's bright and open. So the eating area. And then you can see here, there's a sliding door that goes out to the back. Let's let you have a quick view. We'll go out there last. So it's just a hair over an acre. You have an in-ground pool with a retractable cover. Here's a big island. Oven and a microwave built in here. Okay, it's a laminate type floor. The cabinets are more of a modern feel. Stainless steel appliances over here. You got an island with a little workstation. Great room to entertain and cook. If you like that cooking, here's your eating kitchen. You got a TV. Now here's the in-law suite part of it. So you have a separate room here. Let's show you this. Okay. Plenty of storage. Access to the bathroom, a Jack and Jill. Tub shower combo. And then, of course, the vanity here. Okay, it's cultured marble. Another bedroom. And I like the floor. It's like a maple finish. Plenty of storage. Everywhere I look, there's storage. Also has a vacuum flow system. Okay, so back into the kitchen. Huge family room straight ahead. So let's take a look upstairs, this other suite. It's pretty cool. All right. Okay, here we go. So at the top of the steps, it has a high ceiling. So this will be cool. And then you got like a brick accent right here. So here, check out this space. So you see you have these natural light pouring in on top, and this is a great day in Ohio. And then you have a king-size bed nook here. Give you another perspective. Actually, even enough room for your workout equipment. So this was an addition. You see all the storage. Plenty of storage. Now to the master bath. So there's carpeting and tile in here. You see double sinks. Plenty of storage here. And again, you see these lights, natural light coming in. You have a huge soaker tub and the tile, and then a large shower area. All right. This would be to the side yard and then 55th Street. All right. Okay, so now we're going to head downstairs and take a look out back so I can show you the pool area. One more look at this family room. And the pool table, great spot for the pool table. So you have a cutout here where the carpeting is. Let me try to give you another view. So if you look at this entertainment area, you see where there's carpeting. It's sort of cut out right there around the wood. And this is real hardwood. Let me give you another. So that's the yard. Beautiful fall day. Okay. All right, let's head to the kitchen. Oh, and then you have a half bath I almost missed. So you have a half bath here. There's a full basement as well. Of course, another glimpse at the library and then the office. Okay, so this area we're going to is the deck. It's a maintenance-free deck. And what I like about this property is you have a great space, convenient to Gervasi, the parks, the whole 9 yards. And it's really convenient. It's wooded, but you're still convenient to everything. So let's go check this out. Now this pool's closed for the season, but you'll get the gist of it. It's 36 by 18. And what I like about it is it has a cover on it that is retractable. So inside the pool house, there's a key that you turn and it will open up automatically and close automatically. So here you go. Check it out. And then the pool house. Just a little quick peek in there. I guess we're getting a reflection of the pool. That's okay. You got the gist of it. So that's a retractable cover. So you can entertain. Good sized yard, nice deck. Eclectic, very cool house. And we're probably less than half a mile to Gervasi. So this is 55th Street out front, and you have a little bit of privacy here, which is nice. So I'd like to say thanks for tuning in today. If you like this tour and you'd like to see this property, just give me a call at 330-418-1535, or you can go to www.dominicfonte.com if you want to see this tour or other tours as well. If you want to send me an email, go to dominic@dominicfonte.com. Thanks for tuning in today.